Today I will show you how to download free premium Lightroom presets. First, go to YouTube and search Royal Edits LR. Enter this channel and choose whatever you want to download. Don't skip the video. For password, password will appear like this. Will be shown into parts. Then go to the description. Tab to the download link. Click to download and enter the password. Download DNG file. And then go to the Lightroom mobile. Add the preset. And copy settings to apply your any pictures.
Royal Edits LR free premium Lightroom presets.